And the Career College is about the individual. It's about each person's journey. It's about supporting them on the journey no matter where they are. If they're someone's a school leaver wanting to choose what to do after school, a university student who's either choosing a university course or who is already at university. As a university lecturer, I find that even teaching postgraduate students, when I've asked the people in the cohort how many are happy, and very few are happy or even clear about what they're doing, and yet they're spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on an education and they're still not clear. We also work with people who are in the workplace, who are transitioning, re-entering the workforce, women returning to the workforce, people after accident and injury, and people who want to go into business, people coming out of business, even a gentleman who came out of semi-retirement because he needed to. So the number of people that we can assist is broad and varied.